Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix your Google Play Store if for some reason it's not responding. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because maybe you had to go through and your application itself was giving you problems or giving you issues. There's a lot of things like that that can happen. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just close out of the Google Play Store and try opening it back up. Sometimes that can probably end up fixing the problem, as simple as it is, and that could be one of the things I'd recommend you to kind of do. Now, another thing I'd recommend kind of doing here too is to try force stopping this application. If you're able to hold down on that App Store icon like this, and if you're able to get into its application info, so if you're able to tap on app info, and if you're able to force stop that application right here, that can be another really easy thing that you can do that could end up fixing this problem as well. So try doing that. That might end up fixing the problem. You can also try going through and try software updating your particular phone. So go right inside of your system settings of your Android device, tap on settings right here. And then what you're going to want to do, and basically what you want to do here is you want to try updating your phone. So try tapping over here, try finding your software update panel, your system update panel here. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click on software updates, which is right over here, and try software updating your device. So click here, try software updating it, and that can probably end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.